Licensing your art has never been easier and it's within your reach. Hi everybody, if you're new to our channel, my name is Tamara Hergert and I am a professional artist and the leader of the Empowered Artist community. If you would like to license your art but you don't know where to start or which images of your art you can license out, and you are not sure if you need to reserve the copyright before you can license out your art, or you would like to have your art on various merchandise items but you just don't know how to do it, and also you would like to work with big brands but you're unsure how to approach them because you don't know how to create a professional looking licensing portfolio or how to reach out to them. And you're afraid that you may sign an unfavorable licensing agreement because you don't know what different provisions entail. If any of this sounds like you, we have a masterclass that will help you remove all of these uncertainties. And you will learn how to license your art like a professional. Here's what you will learn in the masterclass. Different ways to license your art, what intellectual property assets you may already have, copyright essentials, copyright and watermark questions answered, and copyright registration process explained. You will also learn how to create a licensing portfolio and add it to your website, and you will also learn how to pitch your portfolio to big brands. You will also learn how to create an art license agreement and negotiate the terms. So, and here's what you will get. Copyright Essentials Guide, list of over 50 companies to license your art to, licensing portfolio tips, website tips, licensing pitch tips and template, art licensing agreement and template, art licensing and royalty rates guide. So with our straightforward strategies and templates, you can start licensing your art with confidence. So sign up now for our Licensing Your Art Masterclass if you would like to step into licensing with confidence and do it now. So sign up now, or you can also become a member of the Empowered Artist community if you would like to get access to all the masterclasses and all the best practices, live Q&As and interviews. Thank you and bye for now.